Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at restaurant English. So let's get started. Don't be afraid to go to an English restaurant. Most servers are used to English learners. Going out to eat is a great way to practice your English in a foreign country. You'll learn many new words and expressions. If you can't pronounce something on the menu, point and ask, how do I say this? Most servers are used to dealing with English learners. Questions your server may ask. Do you have a reservation? How many? Or how many seats do you need? Table for two? Are you ready to order? Do you need some more time? Can I start you off with a drink? Would you like to hear the specials? What can I get for you? What would you like with that? Would you like an appetizer to start? How is everything? Can I get you anything else? Did you enjoy everything? Did you save room for dessert? Questions you may need to ask. May I see the menu? May I see the dessert menu? May I see the wine list? What do you recommend? Is it spicy? Is it enough to share? Can I have it without butter? Can I substitute that for beef? Can I get this to go? Can we get the bill, please? Can I have a refill, please? Showing gratitude. Thank you. It was delicious. I really enjoyed it. I'm full. Thank you. Thank you for the recommendation. Well, come again. I'm afraid I didn't save any room for dessert. Concerns and complaints. To get a server's attention, make eye contact with him or her. Say, excuse me, when she is nearby. Smile and explain your problem or concern. Here are some concerns you may have. We've been waiting quite a while. We've been waiting quite a while. Would you mind heating this up? Would you mind heating this up? This isn't what I ordered. This isn't what I ordered. This tastes a bit off. This tastes a bit off. You gave us the wrong bill. You gave us the wrong bill. Words that mean the same thing in a restaurant. Server, waiter refers to male. waitress, female. Server/waiter refers to male. Waitress refers to female. The bill / the receipt / the check. Appetizer / starter. Entry, main event or dinner. Entry / main event / dinner. To go / take out / doggy bag / leftovers. To go / take out doggy bag leftovers. Hot / spicy. Hot / spicy. Beverage / drink. Beverage / drink. Right this way / follow me / your table is ready. Don't forget to tip. In many English-speaking countries, it is polite to pay more than the cost of the bill. This extra money is called a tip. A tip is a gift for good service. Find out who and how much you should tip before you travel. Taxi driver, server, hairdresser. If you don't tip, in some countries, your server may think you were unhappy with the service. So there you go guys, that's the end of this video about restaurant English. Thanks for watching.